Hey people, how you doing out there in Facebook land? So a lot of people are asking me, how can you make the claim that you have the largest espresso refurbish resale outlet on the West Coast? And I'm going to show you right now. So we're sitting here at my shop at Northwest Espresso Machines in North Seattle. We're available by appointment only. I'm going to take this camera, which is right now looking into the mirror. I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to show you what I have in stock on hand, ready to go, being worked on, or back racked. Here we go. So this is my counter, workbench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, so that's 31 machines. We're going to cruise around to the back side now. There's 31. Oh, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And go this side. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. And go like this. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, let's see, 55, 56, there's 57, 58, 59, 60. And then up on the Rex, there's actually more machines stuffed behind the La Marzuco down here. Lots of parts. And, excuse me. So this is what I got going on down here. This is why I say that Northwest Espresso Machines is the West Coast largest distributor of used espresso equipment, or espresso machines. These are all commercial machines. We have bought for them, we have paid for them, we work on them, and we resell them. Excuse me. So you've just seen over 60 machines at Northwest Espresso. And what you're seeing out here are the machines right now that work. That works, that works, that works, that works, that works, that one 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 works. And again, we're going to go back to the back counter. These are the machines that we're working on right now. Will work, will, and will work. All right, there you go, people. So if you want an espresso machine, give me a call. I got machines starting off from $1,300 all the way up to $10,000. And we're located in North Seattle. So I'm going to throw this on Facebook. You guys have a fun time with it. We're going to go this way. Here's our other cool thing. Espresso Lab, terms and conditions of entry. So yeah, we were going to do a barista school here too. All right, people. Ciao.